Dear students, let us begin chapter 5, Coal and Petroleum. Coal and petroleum are resources, the materials which are present in nature and useful to us to meet our basic needs are called natural resources, like coal and petrol. Petrol is actually a product from the distillation of petroleum. Today, we will be discussing various natural resources and its types. These natural resources are the sources of energy, anything that provides us energy. Energy is obtained from various sources like air, water, fuels, etc. Some of these energy resources are natural. Natural resources are present in nature and they provide us energy. Natural resources can further be divided into two broad categories. Similarly, man-made resources are prepared artificially. Coal is an example of exhaustible natural resource, and petrol is again an exhaustible natural resource used as a fuel in car, bikes and other transportation medium. We get energy from these resources. Natural resources are available in plenty in nature. Dear students, we can categorize natural resources in two types: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources that can be used again and again means these are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. And the non-renewable resources cannot be used again and again. Renewable resources will not finish easily and will go for a long period of use, whereas non-renewable resources, once exhausted, will take a lot of time to reform. Examples of renewable resources are solar energy that we obtain from the sun, water, air, etc. These resources actually replenish themselves. Like water, it gets circulated in the nature by water cycle. So it is always under circulation. And the non-renewable resources like coal and petroleum, natural gas, these are also considered to be the types of fossil fuels. Renewable resources are also known as inexhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible, that means they are not exhausted. And the non-renewable resources are also known as exhaustible resources. The resources which cannot replenish themselves by quick recycling or replacement. Let us find out few renewable and non-renewable sources. Are you ready? Just have a look around yourself. Whatever the kind of sources are present, let us enlist them like sun, petrol, coal, waterfall, CNG gas cylinder, LPG gas cylinder. And we will classify them as natural, renewable and non-renewable resources. First of all, it is sun. It is a renewable source of energy. Petrol, it is non-renewable. Then we have coal, again a non-renewable source of energy. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, which we use in our kitchen to cook food. This is again a non-renewable source of energy. Okay. Then we have CNG gas cylinders. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. It is also a non-renewable source of energy. It is not easily replenished. This compressed natural gas is used as a fuel in vehicles. Then we come to waterfall, or basically we can say water. It is a renewable source of energy which can be easily replenished in nature. You must have learnt about water cycle. Water comes to the earth in the form of rainfall, then gets evaporated from the water resources and is given back to the mother nature. We will study further in the next module. Stay tuned.